In this video, we will show you how to replace your center tailgate latch on this Ford F-150. This will be located inside of your tailgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Now we're going to have to remove the inside panel from the tailgate. The inside panel is held in place with 8 T27 Torx screws, making their way all the way across the tailgate assembly. Now we'll start on one side and make our way all the way over. Thorough inspection of the hardware as we continue on, replace as necessary. Let's lift this off of here, we'll set that aside. Now underneath that panel, you're going to find a second panel. This one's made of metal. We've already removed the hardware. Let's go ahead and remove that and set it aside. Now that we have that panel off, we're looking directly in the center of our tailgate. In this area, we can see our center tailgate latch. We can also see the backside of our tailgate handle. We're going to start separating our rods from the center tailgate latch. You can see that they have green locking connectors. For this, I'm just using an angled pick. You can use a screwdriver if necessary. I find that the angled pick works best. Once you have the green latch disconnected, you should be able to pull the rod out of place. We'll repeat the process for the next one on the opposite side. Now that we have that separated, looking along the side of the center latch assembly, you're going to find two 10mm headed mounting nuts. Remove the pair. When removing these, it's a good idea to make sure you're holding onto your tailgate handle so it does not fall out of the tailgate. Now, while holding the tailgate handle, we should be able to lift up on that center latch assembly, and we'll pull it up and out of place. There it is, friend. Now in this area, we're going to take our rod, just rest it directly up on top of here. You don't need to pull or push. With it in the relaxed position, go ahead and press it in as far as possible and lock it down. Double check to make sure that rod is properly secured. You do not want this falling off. Repeat the process for your other rod. Okay, I got that securing point in there. Make our way all the way over here. Once again, we're just resting it. We're not tugging on anything. Latch it in. Double check to make sure both of the rods are properly secured. Now at this point, we've got the internals of the tailgate back together. I want to test the functionality before reinstalling any of my protective panels. We'll close the tailgate. Go ahead and pull on that handle. Let's test it one more time. Perfect. We'll let this down to the cables. One last quick inspection in this area and we can reinstall our panels. As for the metal panel, we just want to get it in place. We're aligning each of our 8 mounting bolt ports. We'll rest this in place. Continuing on, we have our plastic panel next. Now we're aligning our mounting bolt ports with this panel as well. After it's aligned, we'll continue on with those 8 mounting bolts. We'll start them all in before tightening any of them. Just start at one side of the vehicle, make our way all the way down to the far side. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Everything's back together. Let's test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.